Open the Create Documents form by clicking the Create Documents button on the navigation toolbar. The form appears with a list of document categories in a tree diagram. This list of documents is dynamic in that it changes depending on the entity type selected for the company on the company profile. Here we have International Sellers selected, which is a C corporation. Articles of incorporation, bylaws, and corporation-related documents appear in the list. If I click on the New Life LLC tab, the list changes. Articles of organization, operating agreement, and LLC-related documents appear in the list. You can change the list of document titles by changing the type of business entity for the selected company on the company profile form, or you can temporarily select a different type of entity in the Filter Titles by Entity Type selection list on the Create Documents form. Let's create a document for International Sellers. The company title needs to be selected in the Company tabs. Now let's locate a resolution for authorizing a cafeteria-style benefits plan. It could be located in several places, but let's click on the Employee Benefits title. When the folder opens, the title Adopt Cafeteria Plan of Benefits is in the list. It's color-coded with a red dot, so you don't need to read through it to determine the type of document. We can see in the key that it's a Director Resolution. A Director Resolution is a document for a decision made by the corporation's Board of Directors authorizing the adoption of a cafeteria benefit plan. Once we select the title for the document, option buttons appear. We can move ahead and create the document, or we can add features such as a notary statement, a seal, or a letterhead. There are default placeholders in the database for each of these, but you can change them using the import options under the Tools menu. You can also preview the document by clicking the Preview Documents button to be sure it's what's needed. In the preview, lines take the place of missing data that will be inserted into the document. In the next phase, a question will appear for each of the variables represented by the lines in the preview. Most of the questions are already answered by data that's retrieved from the database. These are the initial steps in creating the document. To access the next video, press the Questions Web Movie button on the Create Documents form, or select the Help menu, then select Web Tutorial Movies, and select Questions in the side menu.